YouTube, it's your girl Marcita B. Now you may remember back in the fall of 2014 I did a little video about my less than stellar results using Marley hair. Let's take a listen.
Hello my YouTube family. I come to you today to tell my story, to recount my experience with Reggae braid, Marley hair, kinky hair, nappy hair, by whatever name you want to call it. I surmise the result would be the same. I tell you family, I was so excited to do this hair. I was determined I would have the best looking set of Reggae braid or Marley crochet braids by any means necessary.
What an improvement 3 years and a different brand of hair makes. This time I had a fantastic finish using Superline's Afro Kinky Braid. Superline's Afro Kinky Braid is made of Kanekalon fiber, and let me tell you, this hair is super soft, easy on your hands. It comes with 22 nicely sized, manageable strands per pack, available in over 20 colors, including solids and mixed. Of course, this is great for natural styles, twists, and you know I had to do a hot water set, so it's really great for that also. To prep the hair, I brushed it out thoroughly and pre-straightened using the heat from a blow dryer. The pre-straightening is definitely optional. Then, using a twisting motion, I wrapped the hair around long spiral rods for my hot water set. Superline's Afro Kinky Braid, as well as other great Superline products, are available online at hairmeme.com. I'll post a link in the description box, and be sure to click that link when you purchase Superline's Afro Kinky Braid to activate my code and be eligible for a special gift after accumulating $200 in sales. Now, if you're looking for Superline products in your local beauty supply store and don't see them, don't worry. Just send an email with your zip code to info@superlinehair.com. The great folks at Superline will be happy to assist you in locating their products in your area. YouTube, thank you so very much for watching. I do truly appreciate it. Now, post any questions or comments you may have below. I'll get right back at you. Also, rate, comment, subscribe, and feel free to share this video on other forms of social media and that hair link with my special code with your family and friends. I am out for now, YouTube, but you know what I always say before I go. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.